everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm gonna bring you guys my CVS haul. Now, CVS, to me, lately, I like shopping at CVS, I do. But since they don't do early activation anymore, my store cannot put the sale signs up until the next day. Not a problem, but they are so understaffed that none of the sale prices are up. I have to go through the ad. I have to keep scanning everything. So I feel like I do take longer, and I'm not really complaining, but I'm like, oh my god, I got cat hair all on my face because Paris is right next to me. Yeah, so completely understaffed. Then I went to the register today. Like, I had everything up. There was nobody at the register, and then one lady, walked in front of me, which I'm fine with because I'm a person who, you can go in front of me, you guys can go in front of me. Well, what happened is she was buying like a candy bar and like one other item, and I'm like, oh, it'll be quick anyways. And it ended up taking like 5 minutes. So I went ahead of her and I actually started plopping all my stuff down in the next register. It was closed, but what I do is I have everything all face down in the register because when they scan it, they can go bam, 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 bam. So I just do it a lot easier for them, and then I have all my coupons spread out for them so, I'm not holding up the lines. Well, she ended up getting photos, and her photos weren't ready, so like they're having problems with that. And so then people started lining up, and I'm just like, oh my god, like I've never seen it that busy before, ever, at CVS. There was 7 people behind me. And I'm just like, okay, I'm going to let everybody go ahead. So while I was waiting and while I was letting everybody go ahead, I was just doing my math, figuring out my math because I have to, do the breakdowns for you guys. And so I'm just like, doing my Walgreens math and all that stuff. And then it got to a point where it finally died down and she was ready to check me out. Well, then people started lining up again. And I was already waiting 15 minutes. And I'm like, okay, I'm sorry, I'm gonna go because it's like I can't just let everybody, go in front of me. I was nice enough to let the 7 people go in front of me, but I'm gonna be here all day. So I checked out and everything, fine. But then what happened is I didn't have enough extra care bucks, so I ended up using my Flooz app. Now, I do want to let you guys know, thank you for everybody who has downloaded the Flooz app. I do have a contest going. There is a lot of you guys that only downloaded it, but you have not used it. In order to enter my contest, you need to actually use it. So if you guys are going to CVS this week, just to have them use it. So basically, I think it's like a $2 minimum, I think, for CVS. So my total came to like $10.18 is where I had to pay out of my own money. And I'm like, you know what? I'm going to use the Flooz app because every time you guys download that app, you get a voucher. You get 3 vouchers up to 35% for specific stores, and CVS is one of them. So basically, you guys it charges your credit card, and they give you an instant gift card that you can use at the store. So I bought a $10.18 gift card, or was it 9? Maybe it was 8 or 9, I don't remember. But I got $3.80 back just by using that app, you guys. So definitely go ahead, download the app, and if you guys have used it, you guys are already entered into my contest. I will have a contest. Might wait a little bit longer to pick a winner because a lot of you guys haven't used it yet. But I will be picking 2, 3, or 4 winners. It all depends on how many people download that app and actually use it to enter my contest. But I will be giving different $25 gift cards of your guys' choice so you guys can get some money. I'll probably do an e-gift card for you guys so you guys can get the money right away. So definitely go ahead and use it and download it and use it, and you guys will be entered in my contest because I do have a name for everybody who uses that app. So it's FLUZ, Flooz. I do have the referral link below, but thank you guys who has all used it. I'm loving that app. Okay. So, Jennifer, let's just stop talking because, I know you guys are like, shut up, but I'm just here to save you guys some money. So, I ended up doing the Coinout Kleenex deal. Now, the Kleenex deal, this deal, if you guys have those coupons, they were printable coupons that do end today, the 15th. So, if you guys have those, definitely go ahead and do this deal. But the Coinout was $9.99. There is a 50-cent coupon from the CVS app. Otherwise, I printed a 55-cent off coupon from the Kleenex website, so I used a 55-cent off coupon for that. Now, there was 50 cent off of 3 coupons on the Kleenex website if you guys want to go ahead and do that, but I found a better one from coupons.com. So I bought 10 of these, you guys. 10 of them, okay? These were 99 cents. The deal is spend 20, you get $5 in an extra care buck. So I bought 10 of these. That came out to be just shy of $20, okay? Now, I had those coupons for 50 cents off of 2 that were available from coupons.com. So I used 4 of them because that's how many I had. It didn't say there was a limit. It just said there was a limit of per purchase. So I had that. So I had 4 50-cent off coupons, and then I had a 55-cent off coupon. Plus, I had a 2 off of 8 like facial tissue CRT. So I ended up paying $15.34 for all 10 of these and 1 of those. But then you guys will get a $5 extra care buck, and you guys can submit a your rebate to Ibotta for 50 cents for each box of Kleenex, but it is a limit of 5. So you guys can submit up to $2.50. So 5 boxes you guys can actually submit to Ibotta. So I got $2.50 back with Ibotta. My grand total comes to $7.84, or just 71 cents a piece, which I think $7.84 is a pretty good deal, considering this right here is they sell this normally for $15, and it was on sale for $10 for the Coinout, and these were like $1.79, but I usually say don't pay anything more than 99 cents for this. But I think 71 cents for all that stuff is a pretty good deal. Otherwise you can basically, you know, figure it other ways. But yeah, so super excited to do that, and I have tons and tons of the Kleenex boxes, you guys, but pretty good deal if you guys can go do that. Okay, now we're going to show you guys the other deals that I got. So I ended up doing the card deal. So I ended up getting the Herbal Essence. Now these were 2 for $12, and I used a 5 off of 2 digital coupon, plus I had a 3 off of 10 CRT, so I ended up using that. For the Pantene, now these were 3 for $15. Now these are the bigger bottles, so 3 for $15. I had a 5 off of 3 digital coupon, plus I had a 4 off of 14 CRT, so we got that. There's another one in here, and then I also got the Head and Shoulders. Again, these were 2 for $12. I used a 5 off of 2 digital coupon, plus I had a $2.50 CRT, so I paid $14.50 for all 7 bottles of shampoo and conditioner. But then you guys will get a $10 I don't know if it's an extra care buck or a cash card. I think it's an extra care buck. So $10, everything comes out to be $4.50, or just 64 cents a piece, and I think that is a great deal if you guys want to go ahead and do that. Now I also got my cat's right here if you're wondering what's going on. I also got the Nexus. Now the Nexus was $20.99. Most of them were $22.99, but this one was $20.99. But I used a $5 off printable coupon that was available on coupons.com, and then I also had a 4 off of 20 CRT. So you guys will get this for $11.99, but then you'll get a $10 extra care buck, making it $1.99, and you guys can submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards. So it comes out to be just $1.99, which is a pretty okay deal. I mean, you can get it cheaper sometimes, but that's the average price for that. I ended up getting the Eucerin lotion. Now, did I even write this down? Yeah, I did. This was $10.29. I used a 5 off of 2 coupon from our inserts last week. I also had a $3.50 off of 10 lotion CRT. So you guys would pay $12.08 for the both of these, but then you guys will get a $10 extra care buck, making it $2.08. So I think $1.04 for this is a great deal. I've been getting Eucerin, I swear, for like every single week, but Can't pass up those deals, you guys. Can't pass them up. Got Palmolive. Now these are on sale for just 99 cents. There was a 25% off coupon that printed from the CRT machine. So you guys would just get this for 74 cents if you guys want to go ahead and do that. I like the little soaps. They're so cute. Okay, you guys, so the next deal I did was the Speed Stick deal. Now, these are 2 for $5.50. I had $1 off 2 Speed Stick CRT, and then I also had $1 off any deodorant CRT. So I paid $3.50 for the both of these, but then you guys will get $2.50 back in an extra care buck. Making these, sorry, just $1. I paid 50 cents for these, which I think is a great deal, so I wanted to share with you guys on that. And then the last deal I did, I think this is the last deal I did, was the toothpaste and... Nope, I still got a couple things left in here. But I did the toothpaste deal. Now, the toothpaste is $2.99, and it's buy 2, you get $3 of an extra care buck. So I ended up doing this. So I bought 2 of them, or 4 of them, for $2.99, and I used a $5 off digital and a $2 off digital for this. And then I ended up buying one of the scopes. The scope was $4.79, and I used a $1 off digital coupon. I also had a 3 off of 12 any mouthwash toothpaste CRT. So I paid $5.75 for the 5 of these. But then you guys will get $3 back in an extra care buck of the mouthwash, and you guys will get $3 back with the Crest toothpaste. It ends up becoming a $3.25 moneymaker. So I was pretty excited with that. If you guys want to go ahead and do that, like I say, you should never pay for toothpaste, and there's sometimes where we make money off, so it does make up for the other toothpaste that we actually pay money for. But yeah, and then I ended up finding the Not Your Mother's dry shampoo deal. Now these were $3.39. They were buy one get one 50% off. So you guys would end up paying $5.08 for the both of these, but then you get $3 back in an extra care buck, making it $2.08. So it comes out to be $1.80, $1.04 a piece if you guys want to go ahead and do that. So little thing for that. But yeah, so that was my total. I have 2 cards, and I usually give you guys, you know, the transaction combined, but a lot of you guys want to know what I pay separately, but I just mix and match stuff. But one card came to $3.34, and another card came to $10.68. I ended up using $15 of ECBs, and I ended up using $44 of ECBs. I did receive $14.50 back, and I received $35 back. Plus, I got $2.50 with Ibotta. So this total came to 84 cents, and this total came to $17.18. But if you combine both of them together, it came to $18.02 for all that stuff. I think it's a pretty decent deal considering I got 10 Kleenex boxes and toilet paper. I mean, the toilet paper alone was just 10 bucks itself. So I ended up getting 31 items at just 58 cents a piece. So with that $10.68 charge, I ended up using my Flues app, and that's how I got $3 and something back. So basically, you guys get 35% off, or 35% cash back up to $10. And then after that, it's like 1 or 2 or 3, whatever the other percentage is. So I got $3.50 plus the 2% of the what was past $10. So I just wanted to give you guys a heads up with that. But definitely join Flues, use my referral link, and join the contest, you guys. This just depends on how many people. I'm going to give away 2 for sure. But if I can get more, than that, then I'll give away more gift cards. So I want to help you guys out. If you guys need any of that extra money right before the holidays, I want to help you guys out. So again, thank you guys for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys all next week. Bye-bye.